Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 11. Okay, and our today's topic is ascending order part 1. And there is SW today and our SW number 5. Okay, my dear student, let us start our class. Okay, topic is ascending order. Before starting to solve this math, at first we need to know what is ascending order. Ascending order, that means some numbers are given which are not arranged, but we want to arrange that number in ascending order, that means a smaller to larger. Okay, please notice here 5, 1, 2, 6 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are given. Okay, they are arranged or not? Please answer me. They are not arranged. They are not arranged, but we need to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger. Here 5, here 1, here 2, here 6, here 3. Okay, dear student, notice among these 5 number, which one is the smallest number? The smallest number is 1. So we need to write this one first. Okay, this is done. Next we shall find which number is the smallest number. Okay, 1 is already done. Then left 5, 2, 6 and 3. Between these 4 number, 2 is the smallest number. So we write 2 and give a circle to separate this from the others, and left 5, 6, 3. Among these 3 number, which number is the smallest? 3 is the next smallest number. So I write here 3 and give a circle to separate from others, and left 5 and 6. Next, which number between these 2 number, which one is smallest? 5 is the smallest number. So write 5 and give a circle, and left 6. 6 is the biggest number. So we write 6 as at last. Okay, I hope you have understood. Just like this one, my dear student, one problem will be solved in our class and another problem will be your SW. Notice here 5 numbers are given: 569, 1825, 950 and 510. These numbers are given, but the number are not arranged. We need to arrange that number, but in which form? Ascending order or descending order? We want to arrange this number into ascending order. Okay, that means a smaller to larger. So I need to find out which one is the smallest number. Dear student, before starting to solve this math, at first we write the place of the digit of the numbers. Here you notice 9 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place and 5 is in hundred place. Okay, 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 0 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. Again 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 8 is in hundred place. Again 0 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred place. Again 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place and 5 is in hundred place. Dear student, notice this is 569, 1825, 950 and 510. Dear student, in order to finding out the smallest number, at first we notice the hundred place digit of these numbers. I repeat, at first we notice the hundred place numbers. Here you notice hundred place is 5, 0, 8, 9 and 5. Notice 5, 0, 8, 9 and 5. So among these 5 digit, 0 is the smallest number, but you notice this number has an extra place which is 1. So this is read as 1000. It is the largest number. So don't count this. It is the largest number among these 4 numbers. So it's placed at last. Okay. So left 5, 8, 9 and 5. So among these 4 numbers, 5 is the smallest number, but 2 numbers are same. That means 5 start with 5. So we go to the next digit. That means it's tens place. Here 6 and here 1. Between these 2 numbers, which one is the smallest? The smallest number is 1. As 1 is the smallest, so we can say 510 is the smallest number. I repeat, at first we check 100 place number. If 100 place is at first we check 100 place digit of a number. Okay. So then we take a decision which one is a smallest. Okay. Here 5, 0, 8, 9 and 5. Here you notice if the number is same, then we go to the next number to take decision which one is the smallest and which one is largest. Here 5, 5 both are same, so we go to the next digit, 6 place digit, 6 place digit. Between these 2 numbers we notice 1 is the smallest. So 510 is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So we write 510. Okay. Next, this one is done. 4 number left. 569, 1825, 950, and we have already learned that 1000 is the greatest number among this whole number, so it is written at last. Okay, and left 1, 2 and 3, these 3 numbers. So these 3 numbers start with 100 place digit. Here 5, 8 and 9. Among these 3 numbers, 5 is a smallest number, so we write 569 next. 569 and give a circle to separate this from others. After that 825 and 950 left. 8 and 9 both are in 100 place, but 8 is smaller than 9, so we write 825 next. Okay, and give a circle. After that 950, so we write 950, and notice 1000 because it has a extra place which is 1000, so it is the largest number. We have already take decision, so we write 1000 as the last position. Okay, my dear student, now we check 510, 569, 825, 950, 1000. So the number is arranged here in ascending form. Okay, I hope you have understood how to arrange number in ascending order. Okay, next question. This is your SW and SW number 5. Notice 955, 696, 801, 500 and 732. Dear student, please notice all the numbers have 3 places: ones place, tens place and 100 place. So in order to find out the smallest number, we check the 100 place digit first. Here 9, here 6, here 8, here 5 and here 3. Among these 5 digits, which one is the smallest? 9, 6, 8, 5 and 7. So I hope you can, because you are very smart learner, I know. So you can easily find out which one is the smallest number. Okay, I hope 500 will be the smallest number. Just like this one, you select the other number and you arrange the other number in ascending order. Dear student, you must write this in your SW copy and you must give your SW number. So my dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and you should bear in mind that you must submit your SW in our school library in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear students, see you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.